What are some ways UX teams can share customer insights across their organization in an engaging way? Yeah, this is kind of a big problem in UX in general. For me, a lot of it is after kind of finishing a project or a study or an experiment or something, we'll put together a slide deck with insights of how it kind of impacts the company as a whole, not only the specific product that we're working on, but what does this mean for the company as a whole? Does it mean more engaged customers? Does it mean more revenue? Stuff like that. And in these kind of slide decks, we'll schedule presentations where we will present to either clients or stakeholders who need to be involved, but also ask them to invite any other people in the organization that may be interested in this kind of research that's being done.
For example, I launched a test and then a few findings, and then I'll just take a screenshot of just to highlight what the customers' frustrations, their pain points, and even some potential improvements as well. And then I'll just take a screenshot and then put them on PowerPoint. That's the quickest way that I can do it. Or I would use Google Slides, and then I can just copy the link and then send it across the organization.
So what we do, actually, we create a report, and sometimes we also use a board. Nowadays, we started using the actual metrics tab in the user testing platform. So because sometimes we need to show the snippets of the videos that we create or that we have from the test.
How can organizations overcome traditional departmental silos to ensure that customer insights are accessible and actionable across different teams, from design and product development to marketing and sales? That's a pretty tough question. I think it all starts with the culture of the company from the ground up. It has to promote a very inclusive environment, especially for user experience teams, for product teams, for them to be able to do their work. So there's got to be a lot of collaboration between departments, and there's got to be a lot of buy-in for what we do as UX researchers.
I think user experience researchers should be included in the meetings. From design to product development, and even in product development, actually, because in some of the product development meetings, there's always a way of, a negotiation, right, in terms of the design. But the researchers can actually provide some insightful thoughts to give the team if it would work or not.
I think this is about having a central or standardized process or place to hold all the insights so that everyone knows where to find them. Ideally something that's easily searchable, and so that even people that aren't researchers can just search for something that's relevant to them and the right insights come up. So they don't have to go trawling through lots of decks or something, or asking lots of people to find exactly what they need.